Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Bath & Body Works semi-annual sale haul.
There's a cat hair on my face.
I did go on 2 separate trips, and the first time I was determined to use my 10 off 40 coupon and just spend 30, and I actually did really good. I will go into detail and show you exactly what I got, but basically I spent about $32 after tax and got a bunch of stuff. So the first thing I got was this Active Skincare Sun Aloe. So this was 75% off, so it came to around $3. It refreshes dry skin with soothing aloe spray with aloe, manoi oil, and vitamin E. Okay. And I think I've tried this once already, since I bought it, that is. And it's just really lightweight moisture and smells clean. Love the scent because it's just light and clean. So if I wanted to layer this with something else, you probably could, and you wouldn't be like stuck with 2 really different fragrances. It's just light and fresh, so I really like this. And sometimes in the summertime, like, regular lotions are just too much for me because I'm constantly getting hot down here. It's humid in Alabama, let me tell you. So if you put a lot of lotion on, you go outside and you've got like a cream going because you're so like hot and humid. So this will be really nice on those super hot days when I know I'm going to be outside getting hot.
Hot, did I say enough?
I'm really excited to give this a shot. I also picked up 3 hand soaps. So I got a Black Cherry Merlot. I absolutely love the scent. I adore the scent of Black Cherry. And I actually got 2 of those. And these were again around $3, really inexpensive. And that was before the coupon as well. I got one of the Coconut Days, which is Coconut Colada. I thought that was really cute. It looks like footballs to me. Like, I keep looking at that saying footballs. And I don't know. We're gonna move past it. It says creamy coconut, frozen lemon, and vanilla musk. I think this is gonna be really nice, and it's definitely a summery hand soap scent. I also got the Foot Fix Glycolic Acid Peel. This is from the Active Skincare line again, which I just thought was really cool because I use glycolic acid on my face. My feet have a tendency to be really dry and cracked. I have to like scrub them and pumice them a lot. I actually just use one of those foot peels. Like this today when I'm filming is the day after I use them, and my skin is getting ready to come completely off. Not in a bad way. It actually, I think it's going to be really good. I'm going to do a video about that later, so be sure to turn on those notifications so I can show you my dead skin flaking off. This will be nice maybe a few weeks after I've done that. Once my feet are getting back to their normal growth state, I can try this out and let you guys know if it is any good. But glycolic acid, hey, why not? It could be really good. So I'm gonna give that a shot. And again, just around like $3. I got one pocket back and it just says, hello, I'm a unicorn. And this scent is berry lemonade. So I just thought this would be a fun little one to have for the summer. Can never go wrong with having a little bit of this in your purse. I got a Beach Night Summer Marshmallow, just the shower gel, because I actually had the shower gel and the lotion, and I didn't really use that much of the lotion. I have like more than half of it left, so I just bought the shower gel to go with it because, again, in my summer scents, I always go through the shower gel way faster than the lotion because I put on very little lotion or sometimes not at all depending on what I'm doing that day. So I got some shower gel to even that out and use the rest of that lotion up. I also got the shower gel and lotion in Waikiki Beach Coconut, and I'm loving the little bird on the package. I think it's so cute. Very summery. This one just smells so good. It says it's beach coconut, pink passion flower, saltwater breeze, fresh bamboo, and sun bleached woods.
Whatever it is, it's very good.
And the last thing I got on this trip was a candle. They did have them half price. So regularly $24.50, so it was $12.25. Not like the most amazing deal on the planet, but with the coupon it was still really good. And this is pineapple mango. First, I love the look of this. I don't even know how to describe that, but it looks really cool. And this just smells so good. It says fresh pineapple juice, mango, and vine ripened raspberries. And once you know it, like, you can smell the raspberry. It almost has a scent of, what was that raspberry lotion? Sun ripened raspberry, I think. Has a little hint of that, but it's very fruity, very summery, and it's got one of those like little textured lids. Love the packaging and I love the scent on this one. So that was everything in my first trip, and like I said, I spent about $32. So all in all, I think it was a good deal. I made one more stop into the store to see what else they had marked down. I didn't see a lot that was really tempting to me, but these couple of things were 75% off. And on this trip, I just spent $8.98, so really inexpensive. And I got the At the Beach Shower Jelly with Aloe, which I just thought would be cool to try out. Let's open it and show you guys.
A glob!
A glob of it just fell on my carpet. But it looks really cool. Just jelly. Ooh. Ooh, it doesn't even really jiggle. It's like a solid mass of jelly in there. But it smells really, really good. It's definitely a very beachy scent. At the beach is perfect. So it's kind of like that sunscreen type of scent. White frangipani blossoms, toasted coconut, bergamot waters, sea salt breeze, and sun-kissed musk. And then I also got the super soft body butter with 24 hours of moisture with shea butter and coconut oil. And the packaging looks like this. It's like a bronzy color. It definitely looks like decadent. Look at that. Whipped cream. Let's stick a finger in. Ooh, it's bouncy. Look at that smush. It's really nice. I love beachy scents. I'd love to be at the beach all the time, but smelling like it is second best, I guess. So that was everything I got on my second trip, and that is the entirety of my Bath & Body Works semi-annual sale haul. If you like these type of videos, leave me a thumbs up, and I will definitely be checking out to see if there's any other great deals. So if you guys would like to see a part 2 or more things from the semi-annual sale, then drop that in the comments below and let me know. And I appreciate you guys watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.